My name's Carrie and I'm the director of Thorntons and Sons Limited. Last year we did have a visit from HSE that it was highlighted that there was an issue with the extraction, but it wasn't just buying an extraction unit, it was a lot more than that because the system does need commissioning. That was an HSE requirement as well, so that they've got something to gauge the levels on. So when they look at how it's performing this time next year, well in 14 months, they have to do another commission. So they needed to check to make sure that they've got something to start, like as a starter. And again, Bob was he brought his equipment out to show me the difference that it was a light. So we switched the machine on with the equipment and then switched the machine on without it, and it was just unbelievable to see all the dust particles everywhere in the air. Yeah, Dust Arrest have just, they're so informative with all the information and the support as well, not just with the extraction system but with other areas. You know, Dust Arrest have just been so helpful and yeah, absolutely wonderful. So